Okay. Oh, it is running. I tried to pound it apart, but instead of it coming apart from the nail, it pulled the nail with it. Yeah, I'll just go down here and show you. It pulled the nail with it, so it's stuck right there. And see, it's elevated a little bit. I don't know if you could tell from this angle. I'll put the phone down there a little bit more. But for now, it's just going to be that way because I do just want my temporary border established. And I have that. I got rebar in. This one is barely connected to that other underneath. It's just a smaller one. So anyway, when I get up some more funds to get some more lumber, I will come back out hopefully next weekend and level the boards underneath and then start digging one of them in. I need to dig one in to get it started as level, and then I can start adding my soil here. Let me do that again. I can start adding my soil here to level out this ground. I want to put at least 2 more rows of board on here of timbers if I can find some. I know if I get brand new ones, they're not going to be the exact same size, but that's okay. But look at that. I've got almost as much space as that garage over there, which is pretty cool. I don't want to take out that shed. Oh, look at this. This is a big old mess. But guess what? It's my mess. I'm going to have more soil, so I'm not going to worry about it. I think I'll rake. I got to put the cardboard down. And then I'm going to rake all of this mulch over there as a starter. And then just start adding some leaves and mulch them up to fill up the space a little faster. And the soil that's down in the pumpkin patch is not the best. It came from my Cairo's yard, so it's not amended with anything. So I'm going to dig that part up and start throwing it over here. And then hopefully I can find actually I think that bed, I'll take the soil out of there too to help out. I just got to do something. And I probably should just take all of this soil out because I should just start fresh. Take all the soil out of the boxes to fill up this space. I think that will work because this space is 5 feet, I guess, roughly. But I don't need it to be 5 feet. I just need it to be more down that way and taper it off as it comes this way, of course, to make it level. Like I was saying about the shed, I think in my plan I have to move it forward more. But then I really don't have space for those compost bins like I wanted because of this lilac bush tree, whatever it is. It needs to probably come out. It's not doing so great. I know I'm going to cut it down drastically, cut it back, and see what happens. I think it's just old and needs to go. There's a couple other things in there that need to just get cut out and taken away. I'll have to have help for that. And now that the bees are gone, I can move that cart out of the way. Hallelujah. And there's a bunch of bricks. I've got the 2 stumps that are reminiscence of my tree that we had fell. And anyway, that's pretty much it. There's a bag of leaves and garden waste in there in a brown bag. So I'm just letting that decompose. So it'll make some great compost. I'm kicking myself now because I had at least 7 bags sitting here covered with that tarp. And I sat them out for the city to take because I didn't want them here in the way. That was before I made the plan to do all of this and expand. I could have really kept those, but oh well, it is what it is. And it was a lot of this too. A lot of this. That is old mulch that's been broken down over the years. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna break it all over there. Get these bricks out of the way. Pavers, whatever they are. I'm always throwing the wrong words in, ain't I? Aren't I? Anyway, that's it for today. I'm gonna go get the brown bags or black bags and put those leaves in once and for all. I'm gonna do it. And that's it for now. I've got to remeasure down here. For some reason, this just doesn't look straight to me. I guess it is as straight as it's gonna get. I'm not gonna trip about it because the part where it's crooked is where the tree is and nothing's gonna be there anyway. I don't think. I've got to get my tape measure out and check it again. Check where that tree actually is for placement and that stump gets cut down. But it's chilly out. I'm gonna go in and have some lunch. I got a late start because I'm procrastinating. But anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to try to give these marigolds one last chance to peter out and give me some seeds, more seeds. Thanks for watching, guys. Check in next time.